Manas?
Namaskar and a very good evening to Honorable Governor Sir, Khurshid Sir, esteemed dignitaries and everyone present in this room. I will take this moment to start with a call of action. We had conducted a survey. I surveyed around 25 individuals which came from different sections of the society. It included people like vendors, school teachers, vice principals, teachers from various universities, institutions, and people who were working as daily wage laborers. What I got to know, the very first thing which, whenever I went to someone with a mic, I said, sir, I want to conduct a survey, I want to take your interview on how do you see Bihar in the next 5 years. A very shocking and a very disheartening answer I received was कि मैं नहीं बोल सकता, मैं माइक पे आके नहीं बोलूंगा, मैं तुम्हें अपनी प्रॉब्लम बताऊंगा लेकिन मैं कैमरे के सामने आकर अपनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं बताना चाहता हूँ. If everyone thinks this way, अगर हम सब इस बारे में सोचे कि सरकार को सारी चीजें पहले से ही पता हो और हमें सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हम फेस करें बट हम सरकार को बताए नहीं, तो is this Bihar, is this the Bihar which we are looking for? No, right? So हम सब every student goes to a school and each of us learn how to write a letter to the municipal corporation, write formal letters and informal letters, but we need to ask ourselves that हमने कितनी बार इन चीजों का इस्तेमाल करा है? Did we raise our voice? And the answer which most of us in this room would come to is a big and disheartening no. When I interviewed individuals, I interviewed the CEO of Elder Debate Organization. It is an organization which is raising the voice. He is an entrepreneur, Mr. Siddhant Gautam. He is from Patna and he is doing it all for free just for the sake that बिहार के लोगों की आवाज आगे बढ़ाई जाए. लेकिन हम लोग उनकी आवाज ना सुनकर हम लोग मीडिया में जो बिहार के वल्गर कंटेंट्स, ये किसी से छुपा नहीं है कि बिहार की जो इंडस्ट्री है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, इट इज वेरी वल्गर एंड ईच ऑफ अस सपोर्ट इट, बट वी डू नॉट रेज आवर कंसर्न्स. From this stage, I would like all of us to raise our concerns. Since I met Aman, a 10-year-old guy who goes to a government school, he said, भैया स्कूल में सब कुछ अच्छा है लेकिन एक लाइब्रेरी होती तो और अच्छा होता. ड्रेनेज प्रॉब्लम किसी से छुपा नहीं है. अभी प्लानिटेरियम के बाहर ही अभी बारिश हुई है, थोड़ी सी बारिश हुई है, बट वहां वाटर लॉगिंग हो गई होगी. This is something which requires a solution and solution which will not only come from the government. ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है, ताली बजाने के लिए दोनों तरफ से efforts चाहिए. That is what I call for and I think that all of us will work for it. All of us will understand our responsibilities. The youth will take up the responsibility and the government will be happy to listen and work for a better Bihar. Thank you.